Hello friends, how are you? Vladimir here. This is the daily video, daily forecast, 3rd of March 2015. Let's begin. There are several things I have on my list for today's possible trades. The first one, dollar yen, reached what I wanted, a bit above 120. As for myself, I was sleeping at this time and I missed this false break. But now sell rallies is the plan while the last high holds. From my point of view, there are very big chance we are about to see 1, 2, 3, 4 here. From this point we will definitely might start looking for another buy, as it will be very serious trend line waiting us right there. So for short run, I think we can be looking for this sell opportunity forming. Basically the ideal zone is from current place through 119.90 up to 120 figure. This correction should end up somewhere at this place and start the next drop down, and that's where I want to sell versus last high, of course. There is one more interesting thing to pay attention to, the rule of 70-30. We know that at least twice more than the trend the market is ranging. If we treat it as a first trend, it's around 20 candles, which means the next range or correction might be for 40 candles, so it could last up until this zone somewhere, which means until today's US session. After that we might start to see continuation. Next one on the list is the pound dollar, which let's plot it here, which, if I read the chart correct, should bring us back to the next supportive zone, probably back to this trend line. So basically I still remain bearish here, not sure if from here or a bit higher the pair will continue, but starting from this point and going lower through the next support while holding this trend line, I would be looking for the next buy. As you remember from the weekly forecast, I think the next buy is about to take place. And if we take a look on a daily chart, it looks like the pair is about to go and create a bullish hidden divergence between these lows. Another confirmation for the next buy place. So basically, if it managed to go below this support, which is definitely having problems with, right? Maybe breaking below or going in double wave correction, then continuation. Anyway, this sales should over here and continue to the upside. How far? Well, to close the gap first of all from the beginning of the week right here, which remains opened, and after that probably for last high and maybe even new highs. The next pair on the list, Euro Aussie, also starts to be very interesting zone. Starting from here, going through the next important support. This is actually the lows connection area. Okay, if we connect these lows as well, and through the next important zone, which is 142, this pair is expected to stop and start the rally. We can drop down to lower time frames. We can see on the 1 hour chart it is making Bollinger Band duplication, and on lower time frame starts to combine bullish divergences. So basically what we need is one more bottom from here, or after one more rally, one more bottom to be created to this place, and maybe false break, maybe just a classical divergence with 2-3 bottoms forming, and we are going for a buy. How far this buy should take us to? Well, first of all, we have this line to be retested, so basically after this place we can expect a pretty nice rally taking over. So look for these buy opportunities. From my point of view, they are great. Another one on the list is the Euro Pound. While it's tricky a bit right now, but this pair, as I said, might start kind of correction before the next drop down, and that's what I suspect it to do. Now, what I needed to see from here actually is this double wave forming itself and stopping itself. Okay, so basically this duplication stop and start rallying. If it's about to happen and start the reversal, then we should be going for this kind of correction and for this place as final target for this possible rally. If we break below after this double wave, we are going for new bottoms to the levels mentioned on the weekly forecast. Next one on the list is the pound kiwi, more as investment, but it's going and building the scenario I want. Prepare possible buys from around 202 down to 2 clear level. This duplication, I think we are about to get a buy there as investment. There is a trend line waiting for us as well, so let it drop to there and grab these buys, collect them, because if that scenario, that plan is going correct, we are about to see rallies for new highs, and that's what could bring in well, serious amount of pips for very respected rally here. The only problem by doing that is swap. If you have swap free account, perfect. That's kind of the pairs you want to trade, because they know to pay. Okay, so basically it's very important. And if not, then try to catch the most correct technical level, as I said, close to the trend line and the wave duplication. That's ideal entry. And basically for today that's all. Now there is a few more there are a few more pairs I want to trade. I'm not really sure about right now. Dollar Canadian might be the only one doing another rally. The way I see that, we should face 126 next. So basically, while this trend line holds, I think we are aiming up. Ideally, again, we are going to see that wave duplicated to 126 or so. From there, I believe we will start to see some kind of fight from the bears. But remember the weekly forecast, that's the triangle. While we get a break, once we get a break, that's the direction we're going to move with. As for now, as for today, while this trend line holds, I think this pair is under, well, yet bullish pressure, aiming 126 next. So basically that's all for now, friends. Thank you for watching. I wish you a wonderful day, good trading, and I'll see you again tomorrow in the morning, of course. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.